Mercedes GLC is available with various engine options and all engines are electrified. Yes, the GLC is available either as a plug-in hybrid or as a mild hybrid. The engine range has 4-cylinder units and the power spectrum of the 4-cylinder engines ranges from up to 190 kilowatts and 400 newton meters of torque in the petrol models and up to 195 kilowatts and 550 newton meters in the diesel models, each plus up to 17 kilowatts and 200 newton meters of electrical support. Next to that, there are also plug-in hybrids, 3 of them with a system output of up to 245 kilowatts, 333 horsepower and a system torque of up to 750 newton meters. All the plug-in hybrids have an electric range of more than 100 kilometers by WLTP standard. The 9G Tronic automatic transmission is standard equipment in all GLC models, and all models of the new GLC also come with the latest Firmatic all-wheel drive system. Tell me in the comments which model and which spec would you choose.